Yo, what is up, guys? Back again with another episode. Day 26 of the series. Sorry, it's a late one. I know I've got some inconsistencies with posting, but yeah, I should have filmed earlier this morning. Not this, no, this afternoon. But unexpected call, and yeah, we decided to go gym a bit earlier and did my cardio for today. Currently being coached, so yeah, and having to commit to something, but hey, it's all for the greater good. We're gonna get in shape, because who doesn't want to get in good shape, you know? So today's video is the trading strategy part, and honestly is the exact same as the trading strategy part 1. Only difference is we use SMT ski. And we use this prior to the break structure or invest for value gap. So this is the trade I took, and yeah, I don't know what happened here. Markets are disgusting. They have been for quite some time. Today's Wednesday. This trade was taken on Tuesday. Didn't even bother looking at markets today because of the news. My plan of action was the fact that we had already swept these lows here. I know that's a break structure, but hey, work on a smaller time frame. And maybe that's what killed us, because we swept this there, scale into a 30-minute, you see a break structure, and this inverse value gap here with the 30-minute, and I'm like, you see a SMT ski down here, Euro swept it, and I'm like, okay, maybe I should look for a trade on Euro. Hop in the 5-minute, and see this fair value gap get formed in the 15. We tap in, and I'm like, okay, if we close past it, maybe we take this, make an SMT ski on the other side on Euro. That didn't sweep, so Euro is the lagging index, therefore we trade GU. See this 5-minute inverse, and I'm like, okay, solid. Entry, boom, and I enter. A market had very good bullish order flow. So what do? We enter, start attacking these highs here. So these were like relatively equal highs. That was my first take profit, and it was my only take profit at the time. But we also saw these 15-minute, 30-minute equal highs. Like, look at that, as a nice strong liquidity. And you start retracing. I'm like, okay, that's fine. We're just retracing to this order block, so seek and destroy. It aims to stop us out and then rally up. I get wicked by a hair and I'm annoyed because we close past above these highs, and I'm like, oh, you're really gonna do this to me, market? And we just start chopping. Like, what if we grab out the ruler? I don't use a ruler tool, but look, if we were to, oh my bad, if we were to measure out the distance we actually travelled from that high to this, what, 30 pips? Horrible. We had a nice little, I think it was 1 to 2, under 1 to 2. But it happens, we only lost 120 this day. So, hey, it's alright. We've got NFP this week. I mean, to be fair, it might not even be a point of trading. For the rest of the week, because bank holiday, Italian, German, French. Trump speaks at 1. Unemployment claims, ISM. Then obviously just not going to be trading this. Maybe 2 o'clock depending on the market. But it's Friday. We'll lose volume by then. So yeah, that's what happened with this trade. But again, trading plan. Okay, this is for the part 2. And you know what? I just recently I have been using trading session indicators, and honestly been really helpful with identifying good strong draws and liquidity, because I also used this beforehand. Whenever we're trading in and out of sessions, I mean, okay, let's search up our main target is to find the daily bias. If we get daily bias right, all we have to do is execute, and that's easy. Okay? But if we get daily bias right, we've practically nailed what to do. And you know what? With this, right, we've made another equal high, so this will be a perfect trade in the near future. Just got to sweep out some lows. But yeah, with identifying market highs and lows of sessions, we can easily get good executions of stuff. Because as we see here, look, we sweep these Tokyo low or Asia session lows in London, and we draw to some liquidity. It might not be in the 15-minute, but it'll be in the 5-minute. Similar to here, look, these New York highs, sweep them, and we sweep some lows. Simple as. So I do recommend using this indicator. It's the only indicator I really use. So look, the way market works, each session will sweep previous liquidities from past sessions. So look, Asia session we swept New York lows, London lows. Yeah. What do? Rally up. Over here. Yes. Well, it marks out the time of the sessions, and all we gotta do from here mark out highs and lows. Oh, look here. New York lows, New York highs. What do? Sweep, boom, rally up. Highs, lows, sweep. And yeah, this is a very good indicator where your draws of liquidity should be. And that kind of gives you your bias. So we're going to go through this one more time. Find daily. Find daily bias. Okay, we can either do 4 hour, 1 hour, liquidity, sweep. Hay fever's kicking in bad, bro. And or equilibrium, as well as session highs and session high, because there's only one high and low. But only use that to your advantage if you can identify the trend within the market. From there, you will find, we'll scale into the 15 minute. 15 minute, 15 or 5 minute break of structure or inverse fair value gap. But before that, you want to find a 15 or 5 min SMT ski. Only apply SMT once you have mastered one pair. And then from there, 5 minute retracement confluence, whether that be a value gap, order block, equilibrium, and from there, just for extra confluence, 1 minute. I mean, when I say 5 minute retracement, right, I usually mean. We have a break structure there. That's the 5 minute example, obviously. Now it's 15. We're going to 5 minute real quick. Let's find a quick example. Damn, I'm dead, bro. I'll mark out small equilibrium from about here and here. And obviously there's a value gap in there as well. But once we start, this is like the easy part. Once we go from here, I'll try find a, boom. We have a 1 minute inverse value gap. You see, no matter how small the inverse value gap is, it's still strong and it does the job. Size don't matter. I know, and your little buddy likes to hear that. But yeah, got that. Hold up, just kind of lost it. 15 minutes. There it is. 1 minute break structure or inverse value gap. I mean, you don't have to do that. Extra precaution, because I don't used to wait for it, and I used to get the best entries. So completely optional. Have a play around. But while we're here, we might as well get this set up. So FX replays, teaching you guys how to backtest. So we got trading strategy part 2, as well as a good lesson on how to actually backtest. Me personally, I do use TradingView to just backtest. Like, we turn off trading sessions. I will just go, do whatever, do it all on here, because this is a lot nicer. But we need the closest thing to live markets, other than obviously live markets, because I do advocate for you guys to be backtesting on live markets, as well as, let's name the session 5. Session number 5. 20,000 GBP USD. Initial date, let's say March 4th from today's date, which is 30th. Great session. Okay. Oh, as well as with SMT ski, it only applies to currency pairs. I don't know if I've gone over this. So we've got GBP, Euro USD, gold and silver. And if you're a futures trader, which I'm looking to move into, we got NASDAQ and the S&P 500. So that's what I do know. I haven't found any for GBP, JPY, because I did used to trade that. That had pretty clean price action, to be fair. But ever since the market crashed, I didn't bother. But yeah. So this is I'm gonna show you how to use FX replays now. Let's just why is that 1 second? Give me what time is it here? Tuesday. Let's fast forward. $2 o'clock. Yeah, let's say that'll do. Okay. Slow demonstration. And we're clearly uptrending for some time. Let's check out 5-minute order flow real quick. Okay, obviously I should be using SMT ski over here. What? 6 o'clock? Skipped a little too far forward. We're gonna add Euro USD real quick. Oh, hold on. Oh, no. No. Oh, hell no. I hate these indicators, bro. I have to put it at the very start. Yeah, I have to put it at the very start. Okay. Add your pairs to the start. But, hey. 1 hour. Clearly bullish, as you can see. Like, we're not going to go against the trend. So, you know what? We're in the 1 hour. Sweep these 1 hour lows. Open the 15-minute. Okay. We've got our breaker structure there. Up, down. Yep. As well as an inverse value gap. Okay. Now we just need to look at some continuation confluences. We also do have two fair value gaps made. We have one, and 2. Yep. Let's up in the 5-minute just to have a little look. Break structure. Boom, boom. This could potentially be an SMT. Let's say if Euro did actually sweep. And let's say we put a trade in, put a long position. That's our entry. First take profit could be there, that high. Stops will be underneath these protected lows. Look in the 15-minute. Well, okay. Hour, because I'm having to scroll so far back now. Boy, no way, boy. Okay. Apparently so. Okay, what do we have here? Some high there. We're going to target that, I guess. Oh, and it's lower than our TP. Great. No, let's do this properly. Let's scroll so far back. Okay. We got boom, high there. Another high there. That's equal highs. Very good draw on liquidity. And we got that high there. Let's say that's our final take profit. Okay, let's go on the 5-minute. Go back to our little trade. Yeah, this is the pain you go through with. Okay, let's target them equal highs. Kind of big. 1 to 3. I mean, let's just let it play out for 5 minutes. Quick. Oh, okay. I forgot to say. I forgot to place order. Which is kind of an okay. Yeah. Let's place an order. Stop loss and take profit. So risk. I usually risk 0.75%, which is 150. And our entry price is whatever number says. So I guess we're gonna have to enter here because we forgot to put entries down there. So that's our entry price. Our stop loss in pips is 11.6. And our take profit is, hold up, 19.9. I haven't got premium because we're not bougie like that. 19.9. We save and journal. Click the X. And from this is our gain and our potential loss. We let it play out. We're just going to get edged. Boy, no way, boy. Boy, no way, boy. As you can see, we're in cooked markets. Well, okay. That one's a funny one because we marked out this fair value gap. Basically, we could have been more patient and waited for the re-entry there. But it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh! Thursday, duh. Okay, so this is open London. This is London session right here. If we play it out, hold up. Apparently, London sessions are whack, anyways. Well, okay. So according to that, we had already swept. This is really unfortunate because in an uptrending market, this is the losses you want to take. Okay? In an uptrending market, and if you lose, but you still follow the trend, that is the best loss you can take because you know you followed your strategy, and it's just a case of market shifting when you enter. So yeah, I mean we would have hit this TP, would have easily hit that TP, got an entry there, but you get the idea, yeah. And from there, delete. Try find our trading session. I usually try mark it out using this vertical line. So in my session is, I start looking at charts at 2 o'clock. Wait for it to get to there. Then look at my strategy. Yeah. Pretty simple. No homework for today. Just want you guys to practice this at your own pace. And yeah, get good at using this because the only difference between this and like using the charts, you get more reps in, which is good. But the psychology really kicks in when it's live markets. So do as much backtesting as you can to get the strategy on point. Therefore, the only thing that's holding you back is the psychology. That will take time. But yeah, this is literally coming to an end. Yeah, series is slowly finishing. And I honestly don't know what to do afterwards. Probably make psychology videos. I'll definitely do trade recaps. But I hope you guys actually enjoyed this. Like, I've tried my best not making it too long. I mean, these strategy videos are long, but they're the most useful ones, you know? This is the good bulk of information that you need in order to stick to your system. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys on the next one, where we will be going on about where to put your stop losses and take profits. So yeah, hope you guys take care of yourselves, and catch you on the next one.